Hi guys, Group 4 in here. I am Renaldi as the moderator from this group. Before going to the explanation, I will introduce our group members. The first one is Aryani Wijaya. The second is Marianus Heri Darmanto. The third is Matilda Claralende. The fourth is me, Renaldi Yudhistira Ngaba. And the last one is Yuvinta Batseba Moini. Okay, our group will present about reading description of diagrams or process. And our group chose reading task 3 about carbon cycle. Without wasting more time, let's get started. Enjoy!
The diagram shows how carbon moves through various stages to form a complete cycle. This report will give a brief description of the main stages in this cycle.
First, we can see that energy from the sun is transformed into organic carbon through a process in plants known as photosynthesis.
This organic carbon is then transferred underground by plants, and animals that feed on them die and decay. Some of this carbon is trapped underground in the form of fossil and fossil fuels.
Carbon is also released back into the atmosphere, however, through various means. One is when animals and plants respire, and another is when humans burn fossil fuels in cars and factories.
All this carbon enters the atmosphere as CO2. It is then reabsorbed by plants, and the cycle begins again.
Overall, we can see that carbon moves in a natural cycle, although human factors may now be affecting the balance. So now let's get to the task.
The answer number 1 is B. Organic carbon. Organic carbon is most abundant at the surface of soils and sediments where detritus is deposited, most of which is derived from aerobic photosynthesis.
The answer of number 2 is C. Animal respiration. Well, respiration usually requires oxygen, and animals get their oxygen by breathing.
Vertebrate animals that live and land have lungs. When we breathe in, the muscle blow through the cage, cause the diaphragm to fall down, and air gets sucked into the rib cage, filling the lungs. The answer of number 3 is B. Plant respiration. Respiration in plants is the reaction process of carbohydrates, or CH2O, with oxygen, or O2, to produce air, or H2O, and chemical energy of carbohydrates, or CO2, which are open to the air.
The answer of number 4 is A. Fossil and fossil fuels. Coal, crude oil, and natural gas are all considered fossil fuels because they were formed from the fossil bird remains of plants and animals that lived millions of years ago. Because of their origins, fossil fuels have a high carbon content. Okay guys, that is the end of our video presentations. So if you have any questions or suggestions, please write it down in the comments. Thank you for watching. God bless you and have a nice day. Bye bye.